a tree that produces agar wood, a highly prized wood used for essential oil and incense. What a fantastic tree this is! Introducing Butlo, Aquilaria cumingiana of the family Thymilaceae. Butlo is a shrub to a small tree that generally inhabits limestone soils in primary tropical forest. The bark and roots of this plant are applied to wounds to stop bleeding. In addition, the bark, wood, and fruit are used as a substitute for quinine, a bitter crystalline compound present in cinchona bark used as a tonic and formerly as anti-malarial drug. The incense obtained from the wood has aphrodisiac, carminative, and sedative properties. In some areas, it is also used in the treatment of cancer, especially of the thyroid gland. Like other members of the genus Aquilaria, the wood of this species becomes a source of agar wood when infected with a fungus. In the Philippines, particularly Mindanao, it is called lapnisan. In other countries, it is called Chian Krasna in Cambodia, Xinjiang in Chinese, Chimyang in Korean, Ginkgo in Japanese, Lignum aquila or Aguila wood in Europe. The wood of Bakilaria is considered the most expensive in the world because of its ability to produce agar, a high-priced resin containing hardwood from old or infected diseased trees, also known as agar wood. Demand for agar wood has been consistently increasing, resulting in heavy exploitation of the species. Ascomycetus mold, Piau acrimonium parasitica, a dermisiaceous fungus, has been identified as a known fungus associated with agarwood formation. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.